Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add gradient background color to chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to add the gradient background color. At first, select data, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the recommended chart option. Then select the all chart. You can add any chart. Now I am select the pie chart. You can add the pie of pie donut, etc. Now I am select the pie chart only. Click OK. Now I am rename the chart. Then select the chart, click right button, go to the format chart area. Then select the fill option and choose the gradient fill. We can see here many gradient stops. You can add the gradient color. Select the stops and added a color. Then close the panel. Now we can see we make a gradient background color to chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.